Hey, what's up guys? Deke reporting live here from Knickknack City. This is a guest video submission. We do these once in a while. There's details down below if you want to promote your business or share your build. Also want to say, coming up, Joshua Tree hands-on workshop we're doing. We'll build a tiny house together. And we have a code down below for NB tiny house heaters if you feel so inclined. But this one's coming from Kenya, and I hope you dig it because it's very, very different for this channel.
My name is Kenny Ligare and I'm from Kenya, Western Kenya, and this is my tiny house project. And the house is made up of some wood, some soil, some sawdust, and iron sheet. The walls are installed by cow dung mixed with the soil and some sawdust. That's what the walls are made up of. And this place, when it is finished, this is what we will be like the living room. Then from here we will put some stairs to go up to the loft. The loft is up there, so we will have some stairs here that enables one to enter up there. Then here we will have a kitchen, a small kitchen from this side to this side, with some cabinets here. Then we will have a door here that will enable one to enter the toilet. Then we have a big veranda outside here that will expand the sitting room to outside. For the insulation of the house, we used cow dung mixed with the sawdust plus the soil from the farm. And this is where we did the mixing of those three things to come up with the mud that we used to build for installation. Then our walls are made of timber, but we are going to use some metal. We are going to use reclaim the iron sheet to cover the wood. And on the ground we have this timber, and this timber is cemented inside, so the ground is firmly straightened. Then here we will have some stairs. We will have a stair from down that will enable someone to climb here. Then there will be a steel door. A steel door will be here for entrance. Then our windows are going to have steel and glasses. We will have a steel window and the glasses for the windows. And for the door, we are going to have steel door with the glasses. Then we will also have for the windows the steel with the glasses. Then we are hoping to put a ceiling board. The ceiling board will be in a V-shaped so that it covers the up surface.